Okay, just arrived in the mail. I've got my Wyze Color bulbs. We're going to take a look, see what we got. Okay, these are Wyze Color bulbs. They sell for a 4-pack for $35 plus tax tag, title, and shipping. So I paid about $46 for 4 bulbs. These are supposed to be a brightness of 1,100 lumens, which is approximate to a 75-watt incandescent light bulb. Fun facts, let's see, this should last for 22.8 years, using it 3 hours a day. Energy use per bulb is 12 watts, and again, it's 1,100 lumens. It will work with Google, and that cannot be named in here, and also works with the IFTTT, which I don't use. It says here, set the mood with Wyze Color bulbs. Okay, sounds good to me. Let's see, 16 million colors, color temperature 1800 K to 6500, 75 watt equivalent, dimmable down to 30 lumens and up to 1100. Again, works with the various voice assistants. Easy setup, we'll see about that. And you can set timers and automations. Sounds good. See what is in the box. Here, a kitty. Are you helping? That's Pumpkin. A little squeaky cat. Okay, that's all you get. You get 4 light bulbs. See if I can do this one-handed. Probably not. Let's see what else is in here. Not much. We get a sticker. Quick start guide. Probably won't need that. There's some kind of sticker or something in there. I can't get a hold of it. Well, ain't that something? I can't even get a hold of that. Hope installation is easier than getting that out of the box. Where does it say? Cool. Anyways, we'll get into the setup. These are about the size of a regular incandescent bulb. Okay, now that I got that out of the wrapper, Wyze Color, various information, and we'll go to the setup. Okay, now once you have your bulb ready, all you have to do is go to your Wyze app, click the plus sign, click Add Device, click Power and Lighting, Color Bulb, and Next. Alright, you have your Wi-Fi, and then search for lights. 1 bulb found. And if you look up here, it's flashing green. And once it's found, you click Next.
I found Wyze bulb RGBW from the Wyze skill, and you can control it by saying, turn off Wyze bulb RGBW.
And as you can hear, she that shall not be named has already found it, which was amazing because I didn't do anything over there. Alright, you just give it a name. We're going to call this, we're going to do these in the kitchen. So I might as well just call it kitchen now because that's where it's going to be. We'll run the color test momentarily. Okay, kitchen. I'll call it kitchen 1. I think. We may change that. Okay, congratulations. You've earned a badge. Ooh, nice special. I'm impressed. Alright, click out of that. And there we go. Need to do an upgrade. Okay, we'll do an upgrade. And we're waiting. Let's see, update. And we're waiting. Okay, that took a minute. Congratulations. The update went great. Well, cool for me. Okay, there we go. Now we can change the color. Don't drop the phone while I'm doing it. Let's see, we'll go white. Alright, we're at 50% brightness, so let's crank the brightness up. Oh, that is pretty bright. That's almost as bright as the 100-watt equivalent, just standard LED bulbs that I have in there. It's slightly less bright. But definitely that's got a lot of brightness to that bulb. Right, let's try some color here and see what we get. There's blue. Really can't tell on the camera. It's hard to do this on camera because it's just not, the cameras just don't do well with this kind of stuff. Here, let's kill off the other two bulbs and maybe we can actually see the color. That's pretty bright. Alright, let's see what we do. We could do some orange. Yeah, definitely got a lot of saturation in the red. Let's see how blue does. Yeah, blue's looks pretty good. See the in-between colors like cyan. Cyan's blue, or it's pink, right? No, cyan's blue. Magenta is the pink. I'll get it right sooner or later. Magenta is the pink color and cyan's the blue color. Let's try cyan. Cyan. That's pretty good. Green, definitely looks pretty good. Alright, so I'm kind of impressed with this so far, but we're going to put it up against the Lifx bulbs, or what I consider the gold standard of RGB bulbs, because those are definitely got a lot of good saturation to them, and they're pretty bright. They're also 1100 lumens, so we're going to see if these actually work out though. But the thing is, a Lifx bulb is $60. And these are less than $9. So alright, we'll set up a test for the color. Let's see what we got. And they have different settings you can do. You can do energy, which I guess is an orange color, like a fire kind of color. You got gaming. Not sure why that's gaming, but maybe somebody in the comments can tell me. You got movie, which is a dim blue. Meditation. It's kind of a yellowish kind of color. Okay, so you can do different scenes. That's kind of neat. Let's see what else you can set. Brightness. See, the camera just does that. You can't tell how dim that really is. Let's see, temperature, cool white. Yeah, you get that kind of like a bluish tint to it, or you can go all the way to what incandescent would be. Somewhere in, yeah, make it look just like an incandescent. Okay, what else do these things do? Color scenes. Somewhere in there I saw where you can set it up to do schedules. Yeah, here we go. You can do like scheduling. Sleep routine. You can set it so it can bring the lights up when you want to wake up or when you want to fall asleep. Simulate sunset, so it should get like a reddish tint to it. And I'm sure the wake up one probably has a bluish tint to it, but I'm not sure. I haven't actually tried it yet, so I don't know. Power loss recovery. This is a really good option because if you have these in your bedroom and the power glitches at night, my Lifx bulbs, every one of them comes on. At least with these, you can set it to just have it come on with the power come back on, or have it set to the previous state, which would be off if you were sleeping. So that's kind of nice. Share a device, you can share it with the people that come visit you. You get device information that just tells you your Wi-Fi status and all that. Check for firmware upgrade. So it's pretty straightforward. So now all we have to do is get a Lifx bulb in here and we'll test its brightness and saturation with that. So we'll be right back for the Lifx versus Wyze bulb showdown. Now what I've done here is, it seems like the Lifx bulb is the brightest light comes out of the top of it. So I'm aiming that straight into the wall. And on the Wyze bulb, at a slight angle, the most light hits the wall. So I kind of got the Wyze bulb angled down a little bit, same distance away, and then the Lifx is pointing directly at the wall. Now we're going to take a look at it. And basically, from this perspective, the Lifx does seem to be a little bit brighter. But however, the color still looks pretty much equal. We'll go behind the barrier here. I'm trying to rig this up as best as I can. But Lifx looks like it's got a little bit slight brighter. And this is red full on color. I'm going to try to use my voice assistants to change the color because I'm using my phone to actually do this, because the phone works better than my camera. So, make overhead light green. Or not. Alexa, change overhead light 1 to green.
Okay.
Change kitchen 1 light to green.
Okay.
Okay, and this one, both have very good green saturation. Lifx is just slightly brighter than the Wyze bulb, but it's so slight. When I look at it with my eyes, I can barely, yeah, I can tell. The Lifx is still slightly brighter than the Wyze bulb. But when I did the comparison with the Philips Wyze bulb, yeah, it wasn't close. Okay, let's try. Make overhead light 1 blue.
I don't know how to set overhead lights to that setting.
Yeah, you do. Make overhead light blue.
Okay.
Make kitchen 1 light blue. Today.
Okay.
Thank you. That's not blue. Oh. Make kitchen light 1 blue.
I don't know how to set kitchen 1 to that setting.
Yes, you do.
I don't have an answer for that.
Make kitchen 1 light blue.
Okay.
That's not blue, my friends. That's, well, it's kind of blue. Make kitchen light 1 dark blue.
Sorry, I don't know that.
You're fired.
Oh, man.
Okay, let's try. Okay, she finally did it. It's blue. But as you can tell, you can actually see it in the camera that the Lifx has definitely got a little edge on this. It's brighter. I mean, look at my eyes, I can tell that the Lifx is brighter too. But maybe it's the shape of the bulb, but still, definitely Wyze is definitely worth it. Let's see, we'll try. Make overhead 1 yellow.
Sorry, I don't know that.
Do you know anything? Evidently not. Make overhead 1 light yellow.
Sorry.
Okay, here's yellow. Now, the Lifx looks kind of green to me. And Wyze looks actual like yellow. But again, Lifx is a little bit brighter. Okay, here we are after I'm arguing with the she that shall not be named. This is purple, and definitely Lifx has definitely got purple down to a science. And it looks like Wyze is not quite purple. It's kind of a bluish color. Okay, here's white. Let's see if I can set that better in the Again, Lifx is a little bit brighter. Okay, here we are at 1% brightness. As you can see, the Wyze bulb is quite a bit brighter on this particular test at 1%, and the Lifx is quite dim. You can see the bulbs. Yeah, there's quite a bit more light coming on there. Let's see, we'll try 50%. Okay, here we are at 50% brightness, and here the Lifx is slightly brighter than the Wyze bulb. Okay, we'll look at the colors on the dimmable. This is 50%, both bulbs are blue. Okay, so make overhead light 1, 1%.
I don't know how to set overhead one to that setting.
Every time I actually try to do this when I'm actually recording, she pulls that. She's like, as if she knows. Make overhead light 1, 1%.
Okay.
There you go. Make kitchen light 1, 1%.
Kitchen lights doesn't support that.
Yes, it does. I know for a fact it does. 1%.
Okay.
See, I told you could do it. The bulb says it will do it, it'll do it. That's 1%. Again, on the 1%, there's a lot. It looks like there's a lot of light coming on that camera, but in reality, my eyes, it's barely any light to light up the room. That thing looks like a spotlight in here, but it's almost pitch black in this room. You take a look at the bulbs and see that Lifx does throw more light on the 1% versus the Lifx. But there you go on that. Okay, after finagling with the app a little bit, I got a better purple out of the Wyze bulb. However, Lifx is still gonna remain supreme on the purple. A little bit brighter. Actually, a lot brighter. I've so liked the purple on the Lifx bulb compared to the Wyze bulb. Okay, so all in all, I'm impressed with the Wyze bulb, especially for the price point. But still, Lifx is going to remain the gold standard in my opinion. Although, like I said, Lifx bulbs are $60 a bulb, and the Wyze bulb comes in at just under $9 with the shipping and tax and all that. But still, I plan on keeping the Wyze bulb. I kind of impressed with it. It'll do. Anyways, maybe we'll get some updates and maybe it'll straighten out the colors a little bit, because I still don't think that's purple. Even I try to work it with the app, I kind of can't get it much more purple than what it is right now. So anyways, that'll be the review of the Wyze Color. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe, and maybe there'll be more chaos on the next review, since she that shall not be named gave me a lot of arguments during this test, and I'm not real sure why. Maybe I kind of ticked her off today, I guess. I don't know. I didn't talk to her today. Anyways, hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.